Things might not seem to be going well with Dogecoin currently, and it's unassuming to say that people are not a bit shaken. It's been a continuous stream of unencouraging price action on the part of the leading meme coin, and many are left wondering if there's still any fuel left in Dogecoin to run on. It's a fair case of a cryptocurrency not actually doing what you want it to do, like a malfunctioning engine that just isn't ready to work even though you're raring to go. Excuse the current market gloom, but crypto investors are not sure to keep quiet even in the most bearish markets and no matter how long it takes. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
Despite cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin being banned in some countries, cryptocurrencies are actually very much being traded in all the countries of the world. The main reason why that's still the case can be attributed to none other than its central blockchain technology. Finally, offering people a more developed alternative to the traditional system of banking and investment, as well as a faster way of processing transactions, it's easy to see why cryptocurrencies are having quite a blast. It's also the quickest way to get liquidity compared to other methods of investment such as stocks or ETFs. 2021 has been a defining year for cryptocurrency investments. It rode the wave of the massive interest it attracted during the pandemic and translated it into the new year at the time. And the moves we've seen this year were nothing short of marvelous, and Dogecoin was very much an active player in that course. The coin has slipped a lot of ways down the barrel, and at the time of recording, the price action has dipped to about 19 cents on the intraday charts. That's the lowest that Dogecoin has reached in over 7 months, since it took a dive off the top of its all-time high of about 73 cents. It spent the last 4 months trading at an exhaustive price range of 25 to 28 cents. Momentarily, it broke the lower resistance of that price range to trade at about 23 cents, but even though a deeper dive was expected, it never came until now. It is another period of shocking moves by the general crypto market, as a Bitcoin-led price dump is assuaging the market with very few cryptocurrencies actually staying in the green. Bitcoin has slipped down to about $54,000 from its historic high of about $70,000 in less than a month. Another unpredictable feature of the market's volatility of the crypto market that makes you want to decide that nothing good lasts long enough. But it's not entirely an untoward expectation for a regular crypto market, given the fact that panic sellers are much more than holders in any crypto market. When investors are clicking the sell button, you can expect buying sentiments to start giving way at the first sign of trouble, thus giving room for the bears to ravage the market. Investors who are looking to take profit wouldn't stare with their eyes wide open as the bears crash the market and their profits dissipate. It's exactly why we see so many sporadic sell-offs kicking into down the peak potential of a bullish market. With the whole market in the current red zone, Dogecoin has effectively joined the move just after 48 hours when the bearish market started, and the full extent of it is still unknown just yet. Are we going to see the crypto market replicate the kind of moves that it exhibited last year? The stage could be set for a recovery going into the last month of the year. At this time last year, Bitcoin was barely trading at about $16,000, but would later close the year at about $25,000. Certain altcoins also followed the price pattern of Bitcoin, and many closed out with gains, and 2021 had quite the expectations to live up to. 2021 has turned out to be the ultimate year for cryptocurrencies, although it lacked the magnitude of the 2017 crypto boom. It will go down in history as the year in which cryptocurrencies enjoyed the greatest attention, and we can only expect more people to become aware of cryptocurrencies and learn to take advantage of the ecosystem that is defying the odds of the financial markets.
Take me to church.
The crypto market has surely outgrown the capacity of any country's government to overthrow, given its decentralized application and use cases. All hopes are up that cryptocurrencies will actually gain true mainstream adoption in 2022 with the kind of steps that have been introduced into the market, and we've seen discussions about crypto being used as a legal tender in some countries. It was realized by El Salvador a few months ago, and other countries are expected to follow suit. Hence, you can imagine the considerable predictions being made about what could be next for Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies in 2022. Before we draw our own view of what could be waiting for Dogecoin come January 2022, let's take a look at the analytical perspective of crypto analysts on the current action of Dogecoin. According to this chart, the price of Dogecoin leaves the trading range of 10 to 20 cents, while at the time of recording, the chart pegged the value to be at the 20 cents level. Its price is unstable at that level, and the price range is such that it could mean that the coin could dip once again below the current price and reach as low as 10 cents should the market depression continue. The prime expectation for the coin to overcome the current bearish market is set at 30 cents. While that price is an upgrade on the current tone, Dogecoin would not exactly be out of the woods just yet, as there are much higher levels that the coin has to reach to convince certain sections of its community that it is in a full bullish mood. Target levels are set at about 40, 50, and 60 cents. We can see the 70 cents as the strongest resistance level given its closeness to the coin's historic high. A return to that level would be most desirable to investors, by the way. It's important that we establish the fact that this market analysis is not a one-sided point of view, and we have a chart prepared by a crypto analyst with the pseudonym AdoAmigo97 who offers a long perspective into the price action of Dogecoin. The analyst views that Dogecoin is in a descending triangular pattern, which it has been shaping up to form for close to a month, and even with the price persisting at about 19 cents, he suggests that a sort of resistance could be established at about 22 cents. If the coin would attempt to break through that resistance and follow the green arrow out of the edge of the triangle to reach the price level at 25 cents, and who knows, it might subsequently go beyond that to trade within the price range of about 26 to 28 cents. While it is a short-term position, the analyst doesn't set a time frame for realizing the target, hence the reason he recommends that investors ought to go long on the market. We think that the price target around 30 cents could be lofty to anticipate in the short term, given the fact that a major portion of the market is enduring the current dip, and unless a major move arises, Dogecoin's resumption of a bullish run is quite unlikely. Here is another perspective into the current position of Dogecoin's price action, with the current price set at 19 cents, and the analyst points out to a specific pattern with the price bottoming out in the areas marked with the yellow ovals. A rising diagonal pattern was marked through the marked points into the empty space in front of the last candle. The next possible point to mark on the line will put the coin at about 25 cents. The peak resistance is set at about 30 cents, and this will set the price up for a move at about 35 cents. It could be such that the price bounces off the white line to attempt to move to the upside. It's not entirely a bad idea to think that Dogecoin might be capable of reaching a level at about 40 cents in about a fortnight, which will position it for a good closure of the year 2021. From our perspective, much of Dogecoin's possibilities in 2022 lie on where it stops this year. That is, excluding the random spikes that often accompanies the price action of Dogecoin. If $1 still remains the ultimate target for Doge enthusiasts, then we can look towards adventuring beyond the current price. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.